Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a demo slash product review of the Almay Clear Complexion foundation. Now this is a foundation with maximum strength of salicylic acid. It helps treat pimples while you wear it and just overall is a great foundation. So a little bit of information about this foundation just so I can tell you. The foundation helps conceal, clear, and prevent acne blemishes so your skin looks beautiful, shine free, and even all day. It's formulated with the maximum level of salicylic acid treatment to help clear blemishes and prevent new ones from emerging. It's a lightweight face makeup, leaves your skin feeling soothed and hydrates. It's a buildable coverage, a soft matte finish. It looks freshly applied all day. It apparently helps minimize the appearance of $14.46. So for a drugstore brand, I would say that's not a terrible price. It's not like you're paying like $25 for a drugstore foundation. I would say anything from $16 to $20 is not a bad price, honestly. You're getting quite a bit of product in here. It's very easy. It also helps treat your acne. I will admit it is a bit dark, but I can always even it out with some moisturizer to help fix that. You can always do that with foundations, but I'm now just gonna apply it and then we'll show you. As you can see, honestly, I probably wouldn't need to do a second layer. I could if I wanted to, but I honestly don't think I would. The foundation looks very hydrating on my skin, natural. It doesn't look too cakey. It looks very smooth, super nice. So that's one great benefit. And I did like probably 3 to 4 pumps, and then I added like a ratio of cream because it's a little too bright for me. So that's something you can do. It blends super easily. I barely had to put any effort. What I was doing more is just to make sure it looks very smooth and all even. But honestly, I think it looks like a great foundation. So I am gonna update you at the end of this video in a clip. You honestly can't really see that. It looks like my skin, which is great. And I think it actually just does like a really good job at covering. You get quite a bit of product in this, so I would honestly recommend it, and it helps treat your acne at the same time, which is really awesome. Like how it applied, it looks very nice and even. I don't look oily. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything, and it's gonna help treat my acne while I'm wearing it, and it doesn't even really irritate my skin honestly either. It's I think the perfect shade right now because of where my skin tone is at. I don't really have to add bronzer, don't have to add too many products to it, and it lays really nicely with it. So I am gonna show the last check-in of the night, like the final one, where after wearing this for many hours at a time, and then I'll share my final thoughts. But right now I'm really liking the foundation. Color matching is a bit hard. The color matching was definitely hard. I kind of just had to match to my neck and hope for the best. It's kind of a little bit hard because the undertones are different than what the foundation is sometimes, and it's really hard to match. Like if you look at my hand to my skin, not the same color exactly as my face is. It's a little bit lighter. Before it was a Almay Clear Complexion 4-in-1, so it's a bit different. This one actually is acne products, salicylic acid specifically in it. Acne prone skin, oily, and combination skin. It's now available in 14 new shades, and it's hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and Dr. mils of product with the pump. It's a glass product. You get I think Almay products are really good quality. This video, be sure to subscribe. It's the first link down below. Give this video a like. If you want me to do more videos like this with like high-end products, let me know, and I will see you in my next video.